Hello everyone! Water is source of life on Earth. 60% of human body is water. Everyone knows that the water is a transparent liquid, which has no taste and no smell. Have you ever thought about its properties?
Let's take a drop of water and drop it on a paper. We see that the water is spreading and wetting the paper. That means that the water molecules are attracted to the paper molecules more strongly than to each other. Now we will cover the paper with wax and conduct the same experiment. We see that water no longer wets the paper. Water molecules are attracted to each other more strongly than to wax molecules. We can also track whenever the water is wetting the glass.
Gently put the glass plate onto the water. Now we will try to lift the plate. We see that the spring is stretched. That means that the force of attraction between the plate and the water surface is significant. It also happens because of wetting. Wetting explains the rise of water in narrow tubes. Water wets the glass. We see that the narrower the tube, the higher the water rises. Those tubes are called capillaries. We can investigate how thin the capillaries are inside the paper or napkins.
We took a sheet from a notebook and a napkin.
We have made strips of paper and paint their lower edges. We dip the strips of paper into the water and wait. So the water flows upwards. We see that the water has risen higher here, which means that the capillaries inside napkin are thinner.
Using capillary effect, we can mix colors.
Let's take solutions of three basic colors: blue, red, and yellow.
If we mix red and blue, we get purple. If we mix red and yellow, we get orange. If we mix yellow and blue, we get green. We got 6 colors. The RGB model works according to these principles.
Capillary phenomena allow water to rise up the stems of plants.
We conducted an experiment with flowers. All of them were white. We put the flowers in glasses, paint, and waited. Next day, one of them changed color. Colored water rises through the stems, through the capillaries, and reaches the flower. But why only one of flower changed color? We consulted with our teachers and decided to use low concentration of paint in glasses. But after 2 days, nothing happened. Now we repeat the same experiment with other flowers and paints.
So water is a very interesting substance. It may or may not wet the surfaces. Wetting leads to a capillary effect.
And this is a small part of mysterious associated with water.